Spending $400 on a single drill chuck feels like a direct assault on your tool budget. Most of us have been taught that if you want true precision, you have to look toward those legendary German brands that cost as much as a used car payment. There is a massive buzz right now around a specific budget alternative coming out of an owner-operated shop in Pittsburgh. People are losing their minds over $120 keyless chuck that is supposedly punching way above its weight class. We are talking about a tool that claims runout numbers so low they sound like a total exaggeration. When you see a spec sheet promising less than 8/10,000ths of an inch of runout, you usually roll your eyes. You assume it is just more marketing fluff designed to separate you from your money. Then you see real-world users checking these things with a dial indicator and finding half a thousandth on a Rima shank. That is absolutely wild for something at this price point. It is not just about the numbers on a screen though. The real secret sauce here is the design of the shank itself. Most cheap chucks you buy are two separate pieces held together by a friction taper. Those can be a total nightmare in a working shop. You get a bit stuck or you run a reverse load and suddenly the whole assembly pops apart right in the middle of a critical job. This specific model uses an integrated one-piece design. It is all one solid hunk of precision machined metal. That means the connection between the chuck and the tapered shank is rock solid and cannot vibrate loose. It is the kind of feature that professional toolroom guys usually pay a massive premium for. However, there is a catch you need to watch out for if you are not using a lathe. If you try to stick this into a standard drill press, you might run into a physical hardware headache. Some buyers have reported that the metal tongue at the end is just a bit too long for a standard knockout key. You might find yourself having to grind it down by hand just to get it to fit into your machine. It seems like it was really designed with lathe tailstocks as the primary focus. Another thing to keep in mind is the strict capacity limit. Even the gold standard brands warn you not to cheat the system. Do not go shoving massive bits with reduced shanks into a half-inch keyless chuck. If you try to force a huge drill through it, you risk cracking the internal hood entirely. If you need to go bigger than half an inch, just use a collet and save yourself the heartbreak. This tool is a precision instrument, not a sledgehammer. The company behind it is a small outfit where the owner actually runs the machines he sells. That kind of hands-on quality control is basically extinct in the world of imported tooling. They even throw in a 5-year warranty, which is almost unheard of for a consumable shop tool. If you are tired of the wobble, but cannot justify the high-end price tag, this might be the smartest upgrade you can make for your workshop. It is one of those rare cases where the budget pick actually delivers on the hype. It is all about knowing the limits of the tool and using it where it shines. For lathe work, it is a total game changer that actually respects your bank account. It proves you do not always have to go broke to get industrial-grade accuracy. It is refreshing to see a company stand behind their gear like this. Just make sure your knockout clearance is ready for it.